ಯಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಟಿ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟಿ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಳೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್.
Request everyone to please don't unmute yourself. Secretary Loknath is the MC. Whenever he asks, you please unmute. Otherwise, please don't unmute yourself. I request President to unmute yourself. President Srinivas.
President
Yes,
Srinivas.
sir.
Yeah.
Am I
audible? You are audible, sir.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Will we start?
We shall start the meeting.
Request everyone to please mute yourself.
Sir.
Already
ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ ಸರ್?
ಹಾಕೊಂಡೆ ಸರ್.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ
I am not audible.
Yeah, you are audible. We can see you also. So
Yes.
fifth Rotary Bangalore South meeting called to order along with Inner Wheel Club of Bangalore South. Over to you, President.
Thank you, Loknath. Good evening, one and all. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Go ahead, sir.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವಿಜಯ
Go ahead, sir.
Good evening, all the Rotarians. Hands. Inner Wheel President Suma Gangadarappa and Inner Wheel Chairperson Suma Prafulla and a
Hello.
guest from foreign country
Sir, ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸರ್, ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಶುರು ಆಗಿದೆ.
Chandrasekhar.
ಸರ್, ರೋಟರಿ ಸೌತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
Srinivas, unmute ಮಾಡಿ. President unmute ಮಾಡಿ.
ಈಗ
ಈಗ ಓಕೆ.
ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಸರಿ ಸರ್. Good evening to all Rotarians and hands, Interact members and Inner Wheel President Suma Gangadarappa and Inner Wheel Chairperson Suma Prafulla, PDG Nagesh and a friend from foreign country Chandrasekhar. Welcome all other friends who are logged in and other members. I welcome to this meeting, last meeting, which is a family get-together and cultural evening. Though I wish to have a personal meeting, due to current situation, we are compelled to have a virtual meeting. I once again welcome you all. This month is a club service activities. It is a great and memorable one because we are donating the cath lab equipment to Vasavi Hospital through CRS funds of British Bicycle worth rupees 3.5 crores. Thanks to our PP, Past President Dinesh, District Secretary, our good friend BR Sridhar, who helped me in getting this fund. I repeat, okay. I also invite Malati Prasad, who is performing this day our cultural program. A profile of Srimati Malati Prasad will be presented by our Secretary Loknath. But in brief, I would like to tell something about Malati Prasad. She is well known in Carnatic music and a dancer from Karnataka. She is known in the country and abroad. She has given performances in almost all metro cities in the world. She is the director of Indian Music Experience, India's first high-tech music museum. This is also a tribute to our PP and great personality, Rotarian K.N.K. Swami, who has introduced Madam Manasi Prasad to us. He has main person to arrange her program in our club. I welcome Manasi Prasad to this meeting and request her to give her performance. I once again welcome Ananda. Thank you.
Thank you, President. Thank you very much for your welcome address. I take this opportunity as a secretary to welcome PDG Flight Lieutenant KP Nagesh for this musical evening. And I welcome the Inner Wheel Chairman, Suma Prafulla from District 319. I welcome the Inner Wheel President, Suma Gangadhar. And then I welcome past district chairmen, Rajalakshmi Suresh from Inner Wheel, PDC Bhavani Srinivas from the Inner Wheel, and PDC Rukmini Swami from the Inner Wheel. Without our past president K.N.K. Swami, this meeting would not have taken place, probably with an excellent artist like Manasi Prasad, who is going to render one of the beautiful songs from her voice. Okay. So with this now, we have two important, induction is there. Both the members of ours are already there. So the first one will be, I will be introducing the inducting Rotarian Sri Nandakumar. Nandakumar is already there. I have seen him. So Sri Nandakumar is a performance-driven, result-oriented banking professional with over 38 years of banking experience. Critical thinker and adept negotiator with expert knowledge of the industry for rapid business revenue growth opportunities. Team leader with good communication skills and interpersonal relations. Nandakumar is a science graduate and a certified associate of Indian Institute of Bankers. He has worked in ING Vaishya Bank Limited in different capacities, from branch head to vice president in different areas of operation and in different locations. Retired as vice president from ING Vaishya Bank and has vast experience. It's no exaggeration. He has a very vast experience in all forms of banking administration and operations, both in urban and rural operations. He was a member of the Credit Risk Committee also. Sri Nandakumar has traveled very extensively pan-India as well as abroad. A multifaceted person with an avid trainer in banking, recipient of various awards and rewards, and also Chairman's Club member for several years. Started his career in the bank as a clerk and rose to the position of vice president with commitment, dedication, devotion, and work with conviction. Presently, Sri Nandakumar is working as a Group Chief Executive Officer of MV Group of companies, leading manufacturer of renewable energy products like solar water heaters, street lighting, toughened glass, photovoltaic modules, EPC, and solar power plants. He is an independent director on the board of Chaitanya India Finance Credit Private Limited, Navi Finance Service Private Limited, heading Risk Committee and IT Committee, member of Audit and Nomination and Remuneration Committees. He is also the director on board of DRES Energy, director on the board of MV Green, director of board of Surabhi Finance Corporation. He was also a director on the board of Sri Subramania Cooperative Bank, and he is a trustee and secretary of MV Foundation, and he served and serving various social philanthropic organizations like Evopa, Vasavi Union Charitable Trust, Vasavi Vidyaniketan, Chinmaya Vasavi Arya Vaishya Trust, Ashakta Poshaka Sabha in various capacities. Sri Nandakumar is married to Srimati Indrani, a doctorate in Sanskrit, very rare to see, pursuing doctorate in Sanskrit. Their children, son Darshan, a rank holder in MS, and daughter Divya, also a first rank holder in MCA, and both are married. So here we welcome Sri Nandakumar to Rotary Bangalore South as a Rotarian to be implemented. Sir, Nandakumar, sir.
Loknath, can you spotlight Nandakumar?
Are you there, sir? Can you please can you please unmute? Yeah, yes. Yeah. Sir, can you please get yourself pinned, sir? So PDG Flight Lieutenant KP Nagesh is there. He has given a consent for you to get it pinned today, sir, on the virtual meeting. Kindly get yourself pinned, sir.
Yes.
The rotary pin which I have sent it across to you. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So now we move over to our second introduction. That is Dr. M.S. Venkatesh. So Dr. M.S. Venkatesh is born in 1949, hails from Bangarpet, Kolar district, Karnataka. He is a textile technologist specialized in spinning from SKSG Technological Institute, Bangalore. He holds a certificate in mass communication and a postgraduate diploma in management.
Video ಬರ್ಲಿ.
Yeah. ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. MS ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
MS please ಬಂದ್ರು. So he is an educationist, entrepreneur, philanthropist and social activist. He currently holds the position of chairman of the Bangalore Speech and Hearing Trust. He is the director of Dr. S.R. Chandrasekhar Institute of Speech and Hearing and Sunath School for Hearing Impaired. He is the founder member of Educational Supplies, Book Paradise, Menta Book Distributors, Chambers Academy Foundation and Menta Foundation, a family charitable trust. Dr. M.S. Venkatesh serves as a life member in the Federation of Karnataka Chambers of Commerce and Industry, Indian Institute of World Culture and a Consumer Care Society. He is a member of Karnataka Publishers and Booksellers Association, Bangalore Booksellers Association, Executive Committee member of Federation of Publishers, Booksellers Association of India, New Delhi. He has been a Paul Harris Fellow of Rotary International Foundation also. He serves as a trustee for many institutions including Vasavi Hostel Trust, Vasavi Union Charitable Trust, Vasavi Vidyaniketan Trust, Karnataka Arya Vaishya Charitable Trust and Dharmadhikari for ISKCON. His service to society has been widely recognized as evidenced by the many awards and accolades received by him. For social service, he has received a honorary doctorate for social service also in the year 2015. His accolades also include the ICAR CSR Award by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India for NGO in Best Practice. His professional success include his 18 years of service at Ramkumar Mills, Bangalore in various departments, rose from supervisor to manager and Book Paradise, the first ISO 9000 bookstore in the state of Karnataka. He has traveled very extensively in India and abroad, including Europe, America, Asia, and Africa. Dr. M.S. Venkatesh has served the community in other ways, including sponsoring free education to children with special needs, funding projects of free distribution of books to poor students, instituting awards for young professional achievers in social and educational sectors, and many scholarships and awards for youth, and establishing many endowments and charities. He has an innumerable number of awards and recognitions. His credit, the list of them, his awards and recognitions runs into 5 pages, totaling to about 34 numbers. So it's a great achievement and a great recognition which he has from the community and the society. We, Rotary Bangalore South, can expect more from him for the welfare of the community and the mankind. So he is married and of course he has 2 children. And now I request Lieutenant Venkatesh to get himself pinned, or Flight Lieutenant Nagesh will thumbs up for him to get it pinned. Venkatesh sir, can you get it pinned yourself? We have sent you the, yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So now we move on from here to this month. Lot of birthday boys were there, so we wish all the birthday boys a very happy birthday. Normally in a physical meeting, we used to have the cake cutting done for the marriage, birthdays and anniversaries. So here we are a virtual meeting. We are wishing them all the very best and a happy birthday to all of them. And then of course next month monthly meeting will be a speaker meets and again a cultural program in the end of the month, which shall be informed to all the members. And now I request the Inner Wheel president is here. So Inner Wheel announcements, please. Over to Suma Gangadhar.
One minute, Suma Gangadhar. One minute. I'll just spotlight. Yeah, yes. President, you have to unmute yourself.
Unmute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
President Suma, okay. No, yeah,
okay, is it audible?
Yeah, audible.
Okay, thank you. Good evening, everyone. First, I would like to recognize the presence of present District Chairman Suma Prafulla and past Association President Shailaja Bhatt, past Association Treasurer Rupa Surendranath, Maya Ratnam, past district chairman Mini Jayaprakash. Welcome to this musical evening, ma'ams. Now, on 5th of August, we from Innerview Club of Bangalore South have arranged a speaker meet on Zoom by Nagendra Kamath. He is a director of Rashtrotana Yoga and Research Center. The topic is Indina Prachalita Samasyege Yogadinda Parihara. I request all the Rotarians to attend this meeting and make the use of benefit. The timing and the link will be sent you soon. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, madam. So I take this opportunity to welcome all the Rotary Bangalore South past presidents to this musical evening, and all the past presidents of Innervale Bangalore South to this musical evening, and the first lady of the president, Mrs. Gauri Srinivas. So we also welcome you, madam, for this meeting. Now we have the invocation by Anne Veena Kiran Shankar. So for this evening, can we go ahead, madam?
Yes.
1 minute,
One
Veena.
minute.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you can go ahead.
Okay. A warm good evening to everyone. I would like to dedicate this invocation song to Almighty and take His blessings to overcome this pandemic situation. Vikasita madana antaryavanu antaryamiye vikasita madana antaryavanu antaryamiye ನಿರ್ಮಲನಾಗಿಡು ಉಜ್ವಲ ಮಾಡು ನಿರ್ಮಲನಾಗಿಡು ಉಜ್ವಲ ಮಾಡು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿಡು ಹೇ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿಡು ಹೇ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಮಾಡ್ಯನ ಅಂತರ್ಯವನು ಜಾಗೃತನಾಗಿಡು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡು ಜಾಗೃತನಾಗಿಡು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡು ನಿರ್ಭಯನಾಗಿಡು ಹೇ ಸನ್ಮಂಗಳ ಕೊಡು ನಿರಾಲಸನಾಗಿಡು ಸನ್ಮಂಗಳ ಕೊಡು ನಿರಾಲಸನಾಗಿಡು ಮಹತೋ ಮಹೀಯನ ಹೇ ಮಹತೋ ಮಹೀಯನ ಹೇ ಮಹತೋ ಮಹೀಯನ ಹೇ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಮಾಡ್ಯನ ಅಂತರ್ಯವನು ಸರ್ವಸಂಗವನು ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಮಾಡು ಸರ್ವಸಂಗವನು ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಮಾಡು ಮುಕ್ತಿಯ ಕೊಡು ನೀ ಅನಂತನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣದಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸು ಚಿತ್ತವ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣದಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸು ಚಿತ್ತವ ಮಹತೋ ಮಹೀಯನ ಹೇ ಮಹತೋ ಮಹೀಯನ ಹೇ ಮಹತೋ ಮಹೀಯನ ಹೇ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಮಾಡ್ಯನ ಅಂತರ್ಯವನು ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿಯೇ ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿಯೇ Thank you.
Wow, that was an excellent that was an excellent rendering by our Anne Veena Shankar. Beautiful, madam. We have not heard your voice for a long time. It was a beautiful invocation dedicated to our past president, K.N.K. Swami. You would have really enjoyed this. We miss him very much. So we miss him very much. Anyway, so now can I request? Of course, madam has not yet logged in, I believe. Vidushi Manasi Prasad, I think, has not yet logged in. We have told her to log in at 6:25. So anytime we are expecting her to get logged in. So, President, any announcement which you want to make on this auspicious day? It's an auspicious day because we are having a tribute. We are not sending the soul of K.N.K. Swami with a very heavy heart. We are sending his soul with a very, happy, in a very happy way. President, anything you want to say today? Because still Vidushi Manasi Prasad has not yet logged in.
Mr. Secretary, you can ask world-class governor Nagesh to say a few words.
Okay, correct. PDG Nagesh, Flight Lieutenant, is also there. Sir, a few words from you, sir. PDG Nagesh, sir. Nagesh, sir, are you there? I think
Nagesh is not there. No.
Okay, not there.
No, President
Sridhar, please ask the President to unmute.
Unmute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ sir.
Hello.
Yes. ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಲೋಕನಾಥ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ವೀಣಾಶಂಕರ ಇದ್ರು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ವೀಣಾಶಂಕರ್ನ ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅವ್ರದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ವೀಣಾ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಋಷಾಂಕ್, ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಲೈಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಓಕೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಮೇಡಮ್, ಮಾನಸಿ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
6:30 ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ
ಗೊತ್ತು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈ ಟರ್ನ್?
ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಬಂದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ. Now I request, can we go ahead, madam? Are you ready? Okay, fine. So can I request introduction of our chief guest today, Vidushi Manasi Prasad by Srimati Vijayalakshmi Suresh. Unmute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಸುರೇಶ್.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹೋಗೋಣ. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Good evening to one and all. Manasi Prasad is a combination of an accomplished singer, eloquent orator, and arts manager. She is one of the best known faces among the new generation of Carnatic musicians and is the museum director of the Indian Music Experience, India's first interactive music museum. Her gurus include Sri Gana Kalabhushan R.K. Padmanabh in Bangalore and Dr. Sriram Parashuram in Chennai. She has also absorbed nuances of Hindustani music from several gurus. Numerous awards have come her way, including the prestigious Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar from Government of India, India's Sangeet Natak Academy, and the Rotary Brigade Young Achievers Award. She is a TED Fellow and a Senior Fellow of the Melton Foundation. In recognition of her achievements, Mansi was recognized as one of the 30 Indians of tomorrow in the annual issue of India. It is an honor to have Vidushi Mansi Prasad here with us today. Let's put our hands together and enjoy the musical evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Anush, madam. Thank you. So,
Namaste.
Namaskar, madam. So, you can go ahead, madam.
Thank you so much. ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೌತ್ ಇನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. It is quite strange for all of us to be meeting this way via technology. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ of course we are doing this because right now the world is going through a very, very challenging and difficult period. So ಇಂತಹ ಕಷ್ಟದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಯೋಚನೆಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅನ್ಸರ್ಟನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Oh, thank you to Galaxy Tab A for saying I'm looking nice. I hope my music is as good, if not better. So ಇಂಥ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಾಲಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಅಲೋನ್. ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಮೇ ವಂಡರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮುಂಚೆಗಿಂತ ಸಂಗೀತದ ಮೌಲ್ಯ ನಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಸಂಗೀತ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಆರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಕಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬದುಕ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸರ್ವೈವಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಬಿ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೌತ್ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಆ ವಿಧದಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎರಡನೆಯದಾಗಿ, and just before I continue, I wanted to request if all the other participants can mute themselves so that my video will be heard clearly. This is very important and I request you all to do that. ಯಾರು ಈ ಝೂಮ್ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫೋನ್ನ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದು ಬಾಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್.
1 minute, madam. Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
I am president of the club. I welcome on my behalf to you the meeting. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
There was a little fault from our side, madam. So he is a president of Rotary, T. Srinivas. He is the greatest philanthropist which we have in our club actually.
Okay.
So the last 1 decade, he has been contributing and encouraging all sections of the society, including the artists, students, and you name any community. So he has supported that. In fact, the majors, two minutes I'll take it. One the major of 3.4 crores project of what we have been doing with a global grant through the support of our President T. Srinivas is the Cath Lab, which is connected to the cardiovascular diseases for the Vasavi Hospital, which is in ISRO layout. This year it is going to be inaugurated. And for this year, as a president, he has contributed for a Red Cross, blood bank van. It's a state-of-art bus actually. So Red Cross collects 1,000 bottles of blood every day in Bangalore. They have got this bus 20 years ago, which is absolutely, 1 kilometer, 1 liter diesel, it is going 1 kilometer now. So we are contributing for a Red Cross, a sophisticated state-of-art bus this year. So I am very honored to say that, we have such a magnanimous philanthropist in our club, so who has been doing this internationally acclaimed projects. So my fault is there, I could not able to introduce him because since we had the Rotary formalities. So with this, I conclude, madam. Please go ahead and we listen to your excellent voice. Thank you.
Loknath, you forgot to tell he's the first AKS from our club.
Of course.
Manasi? Manasi?
Yes.
I'm Gauri Srinivas. I know you since very long time.
Okay.
In RKP's programs.
Sure.
I used to see your programs and your dance programs. I used to hear your classical concerts. We are very fond of you.
Wonderful. My great namaskaras to Sri Srinivas and Srimati Srinivas for their wonderful contribution to society. And let me continue. The second reason why I feel it's very appropriate that I'm here with you all this evening is that, as you all know, we recently lost Sri K.N.K. Swami. But I don't believe this is a cause for us to feel depressed or sad that he is not with us, because Swami uncle was a very, very remarkable person. Someone who was full of life, always had a smile on his lips and something nice to say to everybody, especially all the young ladies who used to visit him. And he shared a deep love for music. He was a great supporter and patron of the arts as an audience and as a supporter. And again, I request all of you to please mute yourselves because nange feedback barta ide, amele nanage hadak agala. I request Adhyaksharu ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಿಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್.
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಲಾ ಮೇಡಂ? ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ.
ನೀವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Yes.
Okay.
In spite of
I have done that, madam.
Thank you so much. I think so. I wanted to just say that I feel blessed to be rendering some compositions this evening in his memory, because he dearly liked my music and was a great supporter of mine, and I feel it's a personal loss. Of course, Rukmini auntie and his entire family, Ashish, Deepa, they're all like my family. We're all, one and the same in the sense of being together and belonging to this family. So without saying too much, I just wanted to say, avara atmakke shanti sigli, avaru ellidru ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ನಗ್ನಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಕಾಂಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಆನರ್. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಐ ಬಿಗಿನ್, ಐ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸೇ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್, as an artist, I have been performing for many years, but this online concert is something that we are doing just now. And some concerts we do from the studio where there is more technical support. In this particular case, I am streaming from my house. So if there are any technical issues, I seek your forgiveness. And there might be variation in the sound, in the way you hear it. Adu nimma device mele, nimma bandwidth, nimma internet connection mele depend agutte. So I do hope we have done a check of the sound. I think it's okay. But I will only request Sri Loknath to give me feedback if anything is not audible. But otherwise, we will have to make the best with what we can. And ನನಗೆ ಯಾರು co-artists ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸಂಜೆ, ಆದರೆ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಜೊತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೆಲವು ತಬ್ಲಾ ಬೀಟ್ಸ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಹಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಾದರೂ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಮ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ದಾಸರ ಪದ ಆ ಥರ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಚಾಟ್ ವಿಂಡೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಚಾಟ್ ವಿಂಡೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಗಣೇಶನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿನೇ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಗಣೇಶನ ಕುರಿತಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಗೀತೆ.
Ah विघ्नेश्वर निनगे प्रथम प्रणाम विघ्नेश्वर निनगे प्रथम प्रणाम स्मरिसुवे निन्नय दिव्य नाम विघ्नेश्वर निनगे प्रथम प्रणाम स्मरिसुवे निन्नय दिव्य नाम विघ्नेश्वर निनगे प्रथम प्रणाम विघ्न विनाशक बुद्धि प्रदायक विघ्न विनाशक बुद्धि प्रदायक विद्येय नीडो श्रीवरदायक विघ्न विनाशक बुद्धि प्रदायक विद्येय नीडो श्रीवरदायक चरण कमल निन पूजिपे अनुदिन चरण कमल निन पूजिपे अनुदिन पावनಗೊಳಿಸು ಈ ಶಾಂತಿಧಾಮ ಚರಣ ಕಮಲ ನಿನ ಪೂಜಿಪೆ ಅನುದಿನ ಪಾವನಗೊಳಿಸು 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 ಈ ಶಾಂತಿಧಾಮ ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರ ನಿನಗೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ರಣಾಮ ಸ್ಮರಿಸುವೆ ನಿನ್ನಯ ದಿವ್ಯ ನಾಮ ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರ ನಿನಗೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ರಣಾಮ ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಸುತ ಚಂದ್ರ ಸುಧಾರಕ ಸಂಕಟ ಹರಿಸೋ ಶ್ರೀ ಶುಭದಾಯಕ ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಸುತ ಚಂದ್ರ ಸುಧಾರಕ ಸಂಕಟ ಹರಿಸೋ ಶ್ರೀ ಶುಭದಾಯಕ ಭವಸಾಗರವನ್ನು ದಾಟಲು ಅನುದಿನ ಸ್ಮರಿಸುವೆ ನಿನ್ನಯ ದಿವ್ಯ ನಾಮ ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರ ನಿನಗೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ರಣಾಮ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ರಣಾಮ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸೊ ರಾಗ ಪೂರ್ಯ ಧನಶ್ರೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರ ನಿನಗೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ರಣಾಮ ಎಂಬ ಗೀತೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ದಾಸ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹರಿದಾಸ ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗೀತದ ಜೊತೆ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಚಿಂತನೆಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ one of the most beautiful ideals that has been expressed by all the great composers is that we are nothing in this universe, that there is something greater, there is a greater force in the universe than us. Now, whether we call that greater force as God or whether we call it as the universal energy, that is up to us. But the beginning of enlightenment is to know that we are not the ultimate in this world. And I think that at a time like this, where the whole world is reeling just because of one tiny microorganism. It makes us realize that nothing is truly in our hands, right? So in this next composition of Purandara Dasa, he talks about how little he is and how useless he is compared to the Almighty. And he says, Mandamatiyu nanu, Papakartanu nanu, Kopa Madamatsaradi kolevenu nanu. I am really worthless. I have no enlightenment. I am stuck in a morass of anger, of jealousy, and envy. And the only one who can take us out of these bad qualities is the Almighty. I think sometimes it's good to tell ourselves that naan mandamati, nangenu barala, nandadda. Now yavaglu we think of ourselves as more than we are, but sometimes to acknowledge that we really don't know too much is very good for the ego. And I would like to present this composition, Durga Ragadalli ರಚಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ಪುರಂದರದಾಸರ ಕೃತಿ. I also wanted to mention, ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ, I'll try and sing. See, this is the beauty of this medium because it's interactive. So make use of the interactivity, and please, I hope to see some requests in the chat window. ಭಾಗ್ಯನು ನಾನು ಇಂದಿರಾಪತಿ ನೀನು ಹಿಂದು ಮುಂದಿನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಅರಿವೆ ನಾನು ತಂದೆ ಸಿರಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ವಿಠಲ ತಂದೆ ಸಿರಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲರಾಯನೇ ತಂದೆ ಸಿರಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲರಾಯನೇ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಭಕ್ತರನ್ನು ಸಲಹುವೆಯೋ ಗುರುವೇ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಭಕ್ತರನ್ನು ಸಲಹುವೆಯೋ ಗುರುವೇ ಮಂದಮತಿಯೋ ನಾನು ಮದನ ಜನಕನು ನೀನು ಕುಂದುಗಳ ನೆನೆಸದೆ ದಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಲಹು ಮಂದಮತಿಯೋ ನಾನು ಮದನ ಜನಕನು ನೀನು ಕೃಷ್ಣ 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 Thank you so much. One of the most difficult things about doing these online concerts is we don't get the reaction of the audience's faces, which is definitely. Would you repeat that? Parvagila, that's okay. So one of the difficult things is we don't get to see the audience reaction. So I will assume that you are listening to the composition.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಸಾಕು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜುಮ್ಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇ ಸಾಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ನೀವು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಸಾಕು.
ಈ
ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಆದರೆ ಇಂದಿನ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ನನಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So let me assume that
Manasi, you are enjoying very well.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. That's okay. So let me continue. So ಕೆಲವು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಸು ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಶಿವರುದ್ರಪ್ಪನವರ ಉಡುಗಣ ವೇಷ್ಟಿತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅದು ಯಮನ ರಾಗದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗೀತೆನ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನಗನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸ್ನೇಹಕೂಟ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ again, my knowledge of Bhavagites and their composers, ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ, is not great, but I wanted to sing Yellow Hudukide Illada Devara, which, if I'm not mistaken, is composed by G.S. Rudrappa. ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಭಾವಗೀತೆನ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗೆ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಅನ್ವಯ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹುಡುಕಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲದ ದೇವರ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುವ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಸ್ನೇಹಗಳ ಗುರುತಿಸದಾದೆನೋ ನಮ್ಮೊಳಗೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮೊಳಗೇನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಇರೋವಾಗ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಗೀತೆನ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಸೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಮ್ ಡಿವೋಷನಲ್ ತೆಲುಗು ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೋಷನಲ್ ತೆಲುಗು ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅನ್ನಮಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಪುರಂದರದಾಸ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಅನ್ನಮಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಂಧ್ರ ರೀಜನ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಪದ ಕವಿ ಪಿತಾಮಹ. ಅವರು ಪುರಂದರದಾಸರು ಸಮಕಾಲೀನರು, ಒಂದೇ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕಥೆಗಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅನ್ನಮಾಚಾರ್ಯರ ಗೀತೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ಫಿಲಸಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ವೋ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಂ ಒಕ್ಕಟ್ಟೆ. ಯಾರೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೆ ಅಂತ ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಂ ಒಕ್ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇವರು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಡೀಪ್ ಫಿಲಾಸಫಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ on one hand he is saying devru elru onde, but what he is really saying is all human beings are one and the same. Because ನೀವು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ నిండార రాజు నిద్రించు నిద్రయు ఒకటే అంటనే బంటు నిద్ర అదియు ఒకటే. వెదర్ యు ఆర్ ఎ కింగ్ ఆర్ వెదర్ యು ಆರ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್, ಎಟ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಯೋಚನೆಗಳಿದ್ದರೆ ನಿದ್ದೆನೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಆ ಬಂಟನಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬಂದೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ this is the reality of life, that at the end of the day, whatever may be our material status or position, we're all in many ways similar. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, మెండైన ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣುಡು ಮೆಟ್ಟು ಭೂಮಿ ಒಕ್ಕಟೆ, ಚಂಡಾಳು ಉಂಡೇಡಿ ಸರಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಒಕ್ಕಟೆ. ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ he says whether you are from a higher caste or a lower caste, we are all going on the same road. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಅಮೆರಿಕಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಂಡಿಯಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೊರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ ಚಿಂತೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ ಫಾರ್ 1 second. Children, please step outside. I am doing a concert. Please go outside. Thank you. Close the door. ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ. ಸಾರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಅನ್ನಮಾಚಾರ್ಯ, మెండైన బ్రాహ్మణుడు మెట్టు భూమి ఒకటే, చండాಳು ఉండేది సరి భూమి ఒకటే, బ్రహ్మం ఒకటే, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే పర బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే, బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే పర బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే. తందనానాహి ತಂದನಾನ ಪುರಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಫಳ ತಂದನಾನ ತಂದನಾನಾಹಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಪುರಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಫಳ ತಂದನಾನ. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ. ತಂದನಾನಾಹಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಪುರಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಫಳ ತಂದನಾನ. కండువంగు హీనాదికమూలిందులేము అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ. కండువంగు హీనాదికమూలిందులేము అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ. హరే అంతరాత్మ శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ. ఇందులో జంతు కుల నిందానొకటే అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ. ఇందులో జంతు కుల నిండానొకటే అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ. హరే అంతరాత్మ శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ. ತಂದನಾನಾಹಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಪುರಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಫಳ ತಂದನಾನ. నిండార రాజు నిద్రించు నిద్రయు ఒకటే, అండనే బంటు నిద్ర అదియు ఒకటే. నిండార రాజు నిద్రించు నిద్రయు ఒకటే, అండనే బంటు నిద్ర అదియు ఒకటే. మెండైన బ్రాహ్మణుడు మెట్టు భూమి ఒకటే, చండాಳು ఉండేది సరి భూమి ఒకటే. మెండైన బ్రాహ్మణుడు మెట్టు భూమి ఒకటే, చండాಳು ఉండేది సరి భూమి ఒకటే. సరి భూమి ఒకటే, సరి భూమి ఒకటే. ತಂದನಾನಾಹಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಪುರಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಫಳ ತಂದನಾನ. కడగి నుగు మీద కాయు ఎండొకటే కుడమి శునకము మీద బొలయు ఎండొకటే కడగి నుగు మీద కాయు ఎండొకటే కుడమి శునకము మీద బొలయు ఎండొకటే కడు పుణ్యలను పాప కర్మలను సరిగాక చెడియుచి వెంకటేశ్వరు నామముకటే కడు పుణ్యలను పాప కర్మలను సరిగాక చెడియుచి వెంకటేశ్వరు నామముకటే ఈశ్వరు నామముకటే ఈశ్వరు నామముకటే వెంకటేశ్వరు నామముకటే వెంకటేశ్వరు నామముకటే తందనానాయగి తందనానాపురి తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనానా బ్రహ్మమొకటే పర బ్రహ్మమొకటే పర బ్రహ్మమొకటే పర బ్రహ్మమొకటే తందనానాగి తందనానాపురి తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనానా ఓ బళ తందనానా ఓ బళ తందనానా.
So I see some messages. Thank you very much to Sri Muralidhar ji for requesting. And I see Bhavani Srinivas. Yes, I used to participate in competitions. That is very true. And wanted to hear Bhavani Srinivas. Since you have been listening to me for a long time and you have requested a song, I have to sing it. So in fact, you're right. Rotary Bangalore South used to organize these competitions for school children, which I used to participate in. You're right. So, ನೀವು ಮೀರಾ ಭಜನ್ ಹರಿ ತುಮ ಹರೋ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಇದು MS ಸುಬ್ಬಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಭಜನ್ನ. ಸೊ there is a story behind this bhajan that I don't know, many of you may know this story. Apparently Gandhiji loved this bhajan. And because it talks about Hari Tuma Haro Janaki, and Harijan was something that was very close to his heart. He used to call all Dalits and minorities as Harijan, untouchables. So he wanted to hear MS Subbulakshmi sing this composition. But, so he sent words to her, but she had not learnt this composition. So she said, can you please get somebody else to sing it? And he said, I would rather hear you just recite the lyrics than hear anybody else sing it, because there is so much music even in your voice. So MS Subbulakshmi heard that and she was so moved that the same day she recorded that bhajan, and it was sent overnight to All India Radio in Delhi, and it was played from All India Radio Delhi on October 2nd, 1947. That turned out to be Gandhiji's last birthday, because a few months later he was assassinated. So it's a very moving story and shows the power of music, that it was a part of our nation building and national identity. So I will sing Hari Tuma Haro in as sung by MS Subbulakshmi.
Draupadi ಕಶ್ಯಪ ಮಾರಳೀನೋ ಹರಿನ ಕಶ್ಯಪ ಮಾರಳೀನೋ ಧರ್ಯೋ ನಾಹಿ ನದಿ ಹರಿ ತುಮ ಹರೋ ಜನಕಿ ಬೂಢತೆ गजराज राख्यो दियो आप शरीर बूढ़ते गजराज राख्यो दियो मार नीर दास मीरा लाल गिरधर दास मीरा दास मीरा दास मीरा लाल गिरधर दास मीरा लाल गिरधर दास मीरा लाल गिरधर दुख जहात हरि 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 तुम हरो जनकी
So that was Hari Tumaharo. I hadn't sung it in a long time. I hope it was okay. Might have been a couple of words off here and there. So what I have Jagadodharana. Feel your concert must never end, but all good things must come to an end. I have another 15 minutes. Of course, I wanted to specially acknowledge Ramu Mama, my uncle from the US. In fact, our family and KNK Swami uncle's family have known each other for a very long time. I believe my father's family and his family were neighbors in Mysore. And KNK Swami uncle ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ಕುಟುಂಬದವರು DVG ಅವರ ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮನ ಕಗ್ಗದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಇತ್ತಂತೆ. And Ramu Mama had sent me an anecdote about it, that they all learnt about DVG and all these compositions, Mankutimana Kagga, from KNK Swami uncle's family, and they learnt about it that way. So I would like to sing one composition of DVG. Frankly, Ramu Mama, you have heard this before, but this is for everybody else. I again love this composition because it has so much philosophy in it. And see, it is very human for us to want more in everything in our lives. ಬೇಕು 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 ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಬೇಕೆನ್ನುತ್ತಾ ಬೊಬ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಲೇ ಘಟವನಿದನು ಏಕೆಂದು ರಚಿಸಿದನು ಬೊಮ್ಮನಿ ಬೇಕು ಜಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಡ್ರಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಸೌಂಡ್, ಬೇಕು 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 ತಕ 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 ಬೇಕು 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 ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ ನೋಸ್. ಸಾಕೆ ನಿಪುದೆಂದಿಗೆಲೋ ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ. This drum of this body should stop saying beku 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 beku, and it should learn to say saku 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 saku. So that is the meaning of this composition. And then it talks about how we are always searching for something. We are searching for power, we are searching for money, we are searching for fame. And this is a fire in which we are burning. This desire is a fire. Mana kudiyutihadavagam. We are burning in this fire of desire. And how to get out of this fire? ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಹೂದೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಕೆಳೆಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಸಂಗೀತದಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಂಸಾರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಮೌನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾನುಭವಿಯಾಗೋ ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್, ಇನ್ ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರ್, ಇನ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್, ಇನ್ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಪೀಸ್ and liberation from this fire of desire. So this is Mankutimana Kagga for you.
So that was one of the selections from Mankutimana Kagga. And thank you all for all your requests, but we are almost running out of time. Perhaps what I'll do is I will sing small snippets on different requests that you have. So let me see what I have missed.
ಸೊ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ. ಒಂದು 2 ಲೈನ್ ಎಂದರೋ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವಲ 2 ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಚಂದುರುವಣುನಿ ಅಂದ ಚನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಎಂದರೋ ಮಹಾನು ಭಾವುನು ಎಂದರೋ ಮಹಾನು ಭಾವುನು ಅಂದರೀಕಿ ವಂದನಮೋನು ಎಂದರೋ ಮಹಾನು ಭಾವುನು ಅಂದರೀಕಿ ವಂದನಮೋನು ಎಂದರೋ ಮಹಾನು
ಸೊ ಶ್ರೀರಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯಮಾವತಿ ಯೂಶಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸರ್ಟಿನ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ವರಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಹಬ್ಬ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಬರಮ್ಮ ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಹಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ 2 lines ಆಫ್ ಆಡುವಾನೆಯ ನುಂಗಿ ಗೋಡೆ ಸುಣ್ಣವ ನುಂಗಿ ಆಡುವಾನೆಯ ನುಂಗಿ ಗೋಡೆ ಸುಣ್ಣವ ನುಂಗಿ ಆಡಲು ಬಂದ ಪಾತರದವಳ ಮತ್ತ ನುಂಗಿತ ತಂಗಿ ಕೋಡಗನ ಕೋಳಿ ನುಂಗಿತ ಕೋಡಗನ ಕೋಳಿ ನುಂಗಿತ ನೋಡವ ತಂಗಿ ಕೋಡಗನ ಕೋಳಿ ನುಂಗಿತ ಕೋಡಗನ ಕೋಳಿ ನುಂಗಿತ ತಂಗಿ ಯಾರೋ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ನಾದವ ತೋರುತ್ತ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ನಾದವ ತೋರುತ್ತ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯಂತೆ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯಂತೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ಕನಕ ವೃಷ್ಟಿಯ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತ ಬಾರೆ ಮನ ಕಾಮನೆಯ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಯ ಮಾಡೆ ಕನಕ ವೃಷ್ಟಿಯ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತ ಬಾರೆ ಮನ ಕಾಮನೆಯ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಯ ಮಾಡೆ ದಿನಕರ ಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜದಿ ಹೊಳೆಯುವ ಜನಕರಾಯನ ಕುಮಾರಿ ನೀನು ದಿನಕರ ಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜದಿ ಹೊಳೆಯುವ ಜನಕರಾಯನ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಬೇಗ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತುಪ್ಪದ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತುಪ್ಪದ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಳಗಿರಿ ರಂಗನ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರಾಣಿ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಳಗಿರಿ ರಂಗನ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರಾಣಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ಸರ್ವೇ ಭವಂತು ಸುಖಿನಃ ಸರ್ವೇ ಸಂತು ನಿರಾಮಯ ಸರ್ವೇ ಭದ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಶ್ಯಂತು ಮಾ ಕಶ್ಚಿತ್ ದುಃಖ ಭಾಗ್ ಭವೇತ್ ಮಾ ಕಶ್ಚಿತ್ ದುಃಖ ಭಾಗ್ ಭವೇತ್. ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯವರ ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸಿಗಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯವರ ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸಿಗಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ
ಜಗಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸಿಗಲಿ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ ಬಾಧೆಯಿಂದ ಬೇಗ ನಮಗೆ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಸಿಗಲಿ. ಶ್ರೀನಾರಾಯಣಾಯೇತಿ ಸಮರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನೋ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ತಮಿಳ್ ಡಿವೋಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ತಮಿಳ್ ಡಿವೋಷನಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಾದರೂ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಲೈಪಾಯುದೆ ಹಾಡ್ಲಾ ಮುರಳೀಧರ್ ಅವರೇ? ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಕಣ
there are still more requests, but I think I'm out of time. So I will have to request you to please make this maybe an annual affair. Yen heli?
Yes, madam. Yes.
So thank you so much. Thank you for such an enthusiastic audience. This was, as I said, one of the first few times that I'm doing things without any co-artists, and I enjoyed sharing my music with you. And thank you so much for all your input.
Loknath?
Over to you.
Loknath?
Yes. Yes, sir. ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾನು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮನಸ್ಸಿ ಅವರೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾನಸಿ ಅವರೇ. ಈ ದಿವಸ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಯಾವುದೋ ಗಾನಲೋಕ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬಹಳ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಾರೀರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಹೀಗೆ ನಾನು ಕೆಲವಾರು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಝೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವತ್ತು ಖಂಡಿತ ತಾವು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Madam, we Rotary Bangalore South, we are there on the Facebook, we are there on the website. I'll share the website. So please, subscribe to our website and Facebook also. And before we do the vote of thanks, we have another small job as being the chief guest today, rendering such a beautiful voice. I think I was in transient actually. I had to bring myself back to this world so that, to do the closing formalities. So we have our monthly bulletin, wherein we share all the progress of our club and activities of our club on a monthly basis to all our, members and then, guests and, relatives, friends and all. So it's called e-bulletin Vista. So now I request our district secretary Sridhar, who is projected this e-Vista. So kindly you can say thumbs up so that we will send this e-bulletin to all our members and invitees and guests. Yeah. So we would like to see your thumbs up on that, and then yeah. Okay. Yes, Sridhar. I think it has been sent. Thank you, madam, for doing this, small,
You're done.
Yeah. Sridhar, back to the screen. Yeah. So thank you, madam. Thank you very much for doing this. And it's my time to propose the vote of thanks.
ಲೋಕನಾಥ್, vote of thanks ಇಂದ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು.
Yes, sir.
ಮಾನಸಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ. ತಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆ, ತಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಪಕ್ವತೆ, ತಮ್ಮ ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಟಿ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಅವರ ಹೆಂಡತಿನೂ ಒಬ್ಬ ಗಾನಕೋಕಿಲೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೈಟಿಂಗೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅವರು ಸಹ ಮೆಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಕಲಾವಿದರು. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಲೋಕ ಪರ್ಯಟನೆಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೊರಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ, ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಹೊರಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಲು ಮುಗ್ಗರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿದೋಗ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾನಸಿಯವರ ಕಂಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಾತು. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಮಾನಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Over to you, Loknath.
Thank you, sir. Of course, any amount of praising Vidushi Manasi Prasad is very, very small only, because she has done such a great achievement. We would like to hear her live concert in a concert hall, sitting there and then enjoying the music for 2 hours, 3 hours like that. Hope this corona will give us a relief. And then, we earlier, we can able to see this performance from you, madam. Thank you very much. So it's a great evening. So for having spent your valuable time, ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಮಧುರವಾದ ಸಂಗೀತವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ವಿ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ನೋ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಇವರು KNK ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ರೋಟರಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಪರವಾಗಿ KNK ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ತಲುಪಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಜೀವ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪುನರ್ಜನ್ಮ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋ ಪುನರ್ಜನ್ಮ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆಶಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. So I thank you very much from the bottom of our heart for having spent your valuable time with us with such a melodious, beautiful voice with beautiful compositions. I thank you once again. And I thank all the PDCs and all the inner wheel members and all the guests and all the Rotary members who have come here and enjoyed this musical evening. A great thanks to all of you. Wish you all a very happy Varamahalakshmi festival. Lastly, I thank my president for providing an opportunity to have this program and also to propose the vote of thanks. So I thank you very much for all of you once again.
Loknath,
good night.
Loknath,
take care. Yes, sir.
Loknath, can I talk?
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Meeting is ended actually. Vote of thanks is over.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಇಂದಿನ ಮಾನ್ಸಿ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರ ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಿಂದಾನೇ ಮರ್ತೋಗಿದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ ಭಾವನೆ ಬಂತು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಂತಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೋರ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವಿಚಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಹಳೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಹಳೆ ಇವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಕಾಲನ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆ ತರ ಹಾತೋರಿಗಿಂತ ನನಗೆ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಅನುಭವಗಳು ಇದೇ ತರ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 55 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಎರಡನೇದಾಗಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ BSc ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಂದು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹೊಸ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೌತ್ಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರಿಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. ವೆಂಕಟೇಶು ಸುಮಾರು 50 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ನಂದಕುಮಾರ್ ಮೊದಲು ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಆಗಿದ್ದ, ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಅವರು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಸೊಸೆ ಬಂದು ನನ್ನ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಭಾರತಿ ಅವರ ತಮ್ಮನ ಮಗಳೇ. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to say a few words.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, President, shall we adjourn the meeting? So, we'll adjourn the meeting. This is a protocol, madam. So, we had to start the meeting, adjourn the meeting with a bell sound. Okay, thank you very much.